how to download FIFA mobile app. So if you want to download FIFA mobile app, then first you need to go and search for Google. Once you open your Google, you need to search for FIFA mobile app or simply search for FIFA mobile. Once you've searched, here you will have the application, right? So simply tap on the application, which is EA Sports FC, and here tap on install. So it will directly take you to the Google Play Store and you can install. Tap on I agree and confirm. And once you've done, now it will start installing. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you need to simply go for play, which is on the right side. And once you go for the play, you'll be able to play, or you can simply create your account or log into your account and play. So that's how you can download FIFA mobile application on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.